Did you know a Celtic queen once turned Roman streets into rivers of blood? In 60 AD, Rome made a fatal mistake. When Boudicca's husband died, Roman soldiers stripped her daughters naked and assaulted them in public. They flogged Boudicca herself like a common criminal. But Rome had awakened a monster. Boudicca gathered 120,000 furious Celtic warriors. Her army swept across Britain like wildfire. At Camulodunum, they burned Roman colonists alive inside their temples. The screams echoed for miles. Next came Londinium. Romans were crucified along the roads. Their heads were cut off and stacked in massive piles as offerings to Celtic gods. At Verulamium, the slaughter reached its peak. 70,000 Romans died in the most brutal ways imaginable. Boudicca's warriors showed no mercy to men, women, or children. But when Roman reinforcements finally cornered her, Boudicca chose her own fate. She drank poison rather than face capture, becoming legend forever.